Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey guys, it's Sierra with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're going to be checking out this 37 Ford Delivery. Remember, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to give us a call or an email, but for now, let's take a look at this stunning vehicle. When you look across the front, you can see that the grille is in excellent condition along with the front bumper. The body is covered in the red paint that shows off the gorgeous styling from 37. As we make our way down the driver's side, you'll notice this is a true 37 Ford with the outside hinges. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. It features the custom interior package that's done in the two-tone brown scheme with leather. It comes with tilt wheel and the gauges have all been upgraded and are working. The dash is done in body color and all of the stainless is beautiful. This 37 has also been upgraded with AC and a new radio. The bucket seats feature the two-tone scheme that are gorgeous and comfortable. Now that we've checked out the inside, let's make our way around the rest of the vehicle. Out back, you'll notice the rear bumper is beautiful along with the taillights. You'll also see the swing open door that opens up to the back of this Delivery, which features a matching color scheme along with a custom wood bed. As you make your way down the passenger side, I'll take a step back so you can get a good look at the stance on this Delivery. Along with being a steel body, it also has these steel fenders and running boards. The red paint has been buffed and polished to mirror finish with a gorgeous shine. The body is aero straight and all of the gaps are stunning. The styling of this 37 Delivery makes it one of my favorite street rods I've ever seen. To finish off the stance, it's sitting on a set of 18-inch Boyds. Now that we've made our way around the vehicle, why don't you come a little closer and let's take a look at what's under the hood of this Ford. The power comes from the 350 Chevy engine that's set up with 4-barrel carb and dressed with the fin valve covers and air cleaner. You'll also notice it has a polished alternator and compressor. Along with having 4-wheel disc brakes and AC, it also comes with rack and pinion steering. When you look under it, we can see all of the floors and frame are solid. On the highway, this 37 runs and drives phenomenal. It handles with ease and rides great. Thanks for checking out this 37 Delivery with me, and remember to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And like always, if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to give us a call or an email, and we will see you next time.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.